a thing. It popped up my yeah yeah just yeah just financial just yeah I don't know I don't want to talk about it. Is there a way to get back a Twitch video after it's been deleted? Like no one can get it, right? I deleted it. It's gone. You can check. Maybe you can check and see if it's still there. Because if it's still there, that would be bad. The most recent one should just be gone. Oh my goodness. I hate 1Password. Why does 1Password not have a streaming mode? Oh my goodness. Why does it not have a streaming mode? It's so upsetting. Okay. Anyways, so the last option. Yeah, no, I don't think anyone clipped it, and I'll check afterwards. I don't think it's probably not a super big deal. It's just super annoying. Okay, so this platform, Unicorn platform, lets you edit websites really easily, mostly for startups. And they have like a lot of cool components. Like for example, they have headers, buttons, photos, feature lists, and they just like have a few standard styles. So like for example this. And then they let you edit it. So you just click edit, and then on the side they let you edit it. So it's kind of a cool thing. It's like really, really quick to get started with. You don't have to host it like WordPress. You get all the startup tools built in out of the box. But it's not as flexible as having your own HTML template. Okay, let's do it. HTML template, here we go, here we come. So now I get to understand what's going on with this template. Which is actually, I think, part of the reason I was procrastinating, because I was just like, I don't want to learn Bootstrap again. But I think it's going to be worth it. So let's go in here. Let's go into the README. Sure. Thank you for purchasing free fonts using this design. Work sans. Illustrations were made by the amazing team at Icons 8. Ouch. I don't know why I'm so distractible, but what does ouch mean? Oh, okay. Got it. It's just free illustrations. Check out more products. Okay, brought to you. Okay, so the README was not useful at all. Code design. Let's look at the design. Okay. Sure. Okay. That's exactly what's in the code, but it's just in Sketch. That's useful. Yeah, I appreciate that. It's not like super useful. Oh, by the way, guys, look at this new demo that we're going to have for the example Remake app. So I don't know if you guys remember TaskFellow, but it got a facelift. How cool is this? Um, it looks nice, right? These drop downs aren't going to do anything, so I'll probably remove those. Can we use it to track Remake's progress instead of Trello? I don't know, maybe. If Atlassian actually updated Trello. That's funny. Yeah, they just keep adding more restrictions to it. Okay, but anyways, I'm getting distracted. But no, I actually wanted to show this to you guys, and I totally forgot to do it. So that's good that I showed it to you. I think it's super cool, and I still have to implement it into the default Remake app, but that shouldn't take very long. Awesome, 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 awesome. So glad to hear. Yeah, because this is going to be like thumbnail size on a lot of different pages. So I wanted it, like the example app to look nice, right? If it was like my old crappy app. Yeah, but if you're interested in someone who does work like this, Alyssa X is who did it, and she's she's on Twitter. She's a 19-year-old designer, and she's built like amazing web applications using like Google Sheets and Figma and stuff. She like rebuilt like Product Hunt or something using like Google Sheets. Pretty crazy stuff. Okay, so that's all for that. Let's get out of Sketch. Alyssa X. It might be that one. This one. And yeah, yep, this one. Yep. But yeah, check out her website. She's very impressive. Okay, so let's close this, and we're gonna grab the code. So let's get the code from here. Oh, what are previews first? Previews. What? They're just images. Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. Oh, that's probably they zipped it up so that they could show it on the site that they were selling it. JS foundation is touch device, and then if it's a touch device, they add it's a touch device. Okay. I don't know why they do that, but sure. I'm sure there's a good reason. Accordion head. Okay, so pretty simple. And lib, they use Bootstrap and jQuery. Okay, sure. I'm okay with that. It's pretty lightweight. It's not like super big. Images, CSS, sure. Yeah. Oh, wait, what? Oh, no, foundation. Okay, I thought this was like the foundation. I thought this the last time I looked at it too. I thought it was the foundation framework, and I was like, they're including both Bootstrap and foundation, but no, this is just what they name their CSS. JavaScript we already looked at, and Sass. Okay, weird, but okay. Okay, so let's grab the code, and we're going to move it into a new GitHub project. So we'll say remake website. Sure, yeah, that's good. We're going there, and we're going to drag this into here, and bum. Okay, so now, now we gotta do some work. Okay, so let's just kind of take a look at it just really quick. Just kind of look at the structure. This is so nice. Oh man, it's so nice. It's actually so nice to just be able to work with like nice HTML. I'm so used to when I download a template just getting like some really bad HTML. But like these are so clear. These are so nice. I know exactly what's happening. I haven't looked at this template before, so if you think I'm just like acting or something, I'm not. This is really nice. You can really tell when a template is well designed when like not too many lines overflow, right? Like if each line is like making an effort to stay on that line and not overflow to the next line, you know, like this for example, but this makes sense because it's SVG. And it's not bad when they overflow, it's just like probably means you're not building your web app elegantly, you're just probably in a rush or something. This is a little weird, but it's also fine, I don't mind it. It's easy enough to split that out. Yeah, this is really nice. This is going to be easy to work with. Oh man, this is great. Okay, cool. I'm glad we decided to go this route. And we got jQuery, Bootstrap, and Foundation. End page, end footer. I guess we'll leave that in for now. So we should probably turn this into a template. And we have a few different options here. One is we use CodeKit. So CodeKit lets you create projects and then compile them, and they have a very simple like way to do templating. I've run into some issues with like including scripts in other scripts and compiling and like installing NPM packages. I'm not sure if they've worked that out. This is going to be, so Remake the Web, the current remaketheweb.com site is going to be moved the remake in Remake site. So yeah, so you're asking, are we going to build this using Remake? I think not. So the reason I don't want to do that is because Remake is not optimized for thousands of users visiting the site at a time. So my plan is to build this as static HTML and cache it really heavily so that it's just static HTML. It's not reading files from the, yeah, because Remake, like I was saying, like can read up to like 10 files for every page render, which is just crazy. It's fine for a web app, especially for the first version of a web app, but not great for performance. If like 1,000 people are coming and browsing your site at once, and I don't want it to crash. And I know if I just build it statically, it's not going to crash. But then what I'm thinking is I will also, if I have time, rebuild it as a Remake app, and then have a link in the top right. So if you see in the landing page, there's a link in the top right. Oh no, I got rid of it. Oh, well, okay, let me add it back in. So I was thinking about having a link here that says like sign up or sign up to edit this page with Remake. This is too verbose, but yeah, and it's also cutting off the other things. I don't know, maybe it could be down here or something. But I don't know, wherever it goes, there's something maybe like that. And that's only if I have time, and that's kind of like wishful thinking that I'm going to have time to do that. Where could this go? Right here, maybe? But yeah, that's a good question, good idea, Sullivan. Oh, Sullivan, also, I've been reading this book. I think you would really enjoy it. Actually, both of you would enjoy it. Actually, maybe the whole chat would enjoy it. It's called The Phoenix Project. Have you guys heard of that book, The Phoenix Project? It's basically like this guy, this like DevOps guy running around trying to put out fires in an organization. It reads like a Tom Clancy thriller, except instead of like, I actually have never read a Tom Clancy thriller, but it reads like a thriller where instead of like spy games and guns, you have like meetings with fellow developers and you're trying to get like the service back online. It's really interesting. I'd recommend the audiobook's really good too. I actually don't read that many books either, but I listen to a lot of audiobooks. Okay, so yeah, so just by the way, this site, the current Remake the website, is not going anywhere. It's just going to land at docs.remaketheweb.com, and then the main website, remaketheweb.com, is going to go to this area. It is. It's really fun. It's like, it's really interesting too. There's like some good lessons in there. Yeah, it's really good. It's a little bit, I don't know, how can I say it? It's a little bit, can I say contrite? What does this mean? Nope. What is the word I'm looking for? That it's like a tiny bit oversimplified, but just a tiny bit. It's actually like pretty true to life for the most part. But I think I think like, you know how like fables are a thing and they're like contrived. That's the one. Yeah. Definitely, that's the one. So like a fable is like completely contrived because it's meant to just teach you a lesson, right? Like a fable, it's like 1, 2, 3, and then this happened, and if they wouldn't have done this, then that wouldn't have happened. So don't do that, right? That's kind of what a fable is. And I'd say this book has about like 8% fable mixed into it. It's mostly just like a really thrilling, fun book. And the fable part is actually like pretty good lessons anyways. So I think it's good over all around, but just to be aware of. They definitely went for the fable choice over the like gritty reality choice. If you may make a recommendation, Molly's Game on Netflix is amazing and you hate most movies. That's one about the woman who starts the casino in multiple cities, right? And then She gets Idris Elba for her lawyer. I really like that one, actually. Okay, so yeah, that was really good. I confused it with the one with like the bondage one that was like released around the same time. It's called like I don't know, maybe it's called Molly's something else thing. I don't even know what the other movie's about, but I saw the trailer for it and I was like, oh, Molly's Game. I don't want to watch that. But then someone recommended it to me and I was like, oh, it's about what? It's about casino? What? It's not about the. I don't know. Maybe I'm just weird or whatever. But no, I think there was one that came out that was like a scary movie called Molly something around the same time. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe it's totally different. Okay, anyways, so so we're going to use CodeKit or we're going to use 11T because I really love 11T when I've used it. Any votes for which one we should use for the landing page? I'm kind of leaning towards CodeKit because it's a lighter weight to set up. Well, it'll let us get started faster. But I guess it would be kind of nice to, I don't know, what are the benefits, right? Ooh, I don't know. Well, okay, what do we have? So does this use the same navigation at the top? It does, but only kind of. Isn't that weird that the top navigation moves? Why would they do that? But yeah, we probably want to keep it the same distance from the top on both pages, so we're going to have to take care of that ourselves. Let's look at that real quick, actually. Top of the page, page, header, container, nav bar. Okay, that looks good to me. And then if we go to pricing, should be the same thing. Page, header, container, nav bar. Why is the distance different? Okay, let's look in the source. Just trying to get to know the template a little bit before we start working with it. Probably shouldn't do this because I could just probably use all this time to build. Header main. Okay, so we got a lot of padding on that. We got some padding, 40px at the top. And this guy, I bet he pays attention to what page he's on. Nope, he doesn't. Let's look at it. Nav bar. Wait, is this totally set up differently? No. Header. Oh, header's the one I'm looking at. Okay. Header has 15 pixels. Very weird. I am Cuttlefish. I love your name. Welcome to the stream. How does this one only have 15? Header. Oh, header main. The header main class. If you just want to host, you maybe want something like this, Zeit.co. Yes, I've heard of Zeit.co. I like them, although I trust... I trust another platform slightly more than this. Yeah? Huh. Okay, well, this will definitely be in the running. Everyone I talk to, though, or not everyone I talk to, I don't talk to anyone. Everyone I like read, all the reviews I read about online, they all talk about, what is it called? What is it called? What is it called? Remember it before it loads. Nope, can't remember it. Netlify, there it is. And they have a free plan. Yeah, I don't know. This looks cool too. Continuous Git deployments. Yeah, the Netlify does the same thing. This has serverless functions. I think Netlify does the same thing, but concurrent password project, multiple owners. Plan details. I don't think we're gonna need serverless functions. I don't know why I'm like looking up serverless functions or whatever. Why am I doing this? Okay, anyways, it's just something to compare them on, I guess. But I just think that like Netlify is much more well known in the industry and it might be more reliable. I think, not sure. Also, Zeit has like, I don't know. they're just at the bleeding edge, whereas I think Netlify is more comfortable staying a little bit below the, yeah. Imagine if someone said that about Remake. That's true. It's a good point. But it's just static site hosting. It shouldn't be complicated. It shouldn't be at the bleeding edge. Okay, so it's just header versus header main. So that makes sense. Ooh, you know what we could do? We could just ignore templating. Like, we're really just creating like 4 pages here. Why are we worried about templating? Why am I even thinking about templating at this point? Just make 4 separate pages and update the content every time you change it somewhere else. Right? Am I crazy? You'll ask the wife after what her arguments for Zeit are. She seemed really happy about how simple it was because she knows zero backend. Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, Netlify, they're kind of competing on the same thing, but no, I would be interested if she's compared them. I would be very interested, because I haven't really compared them in detail. Okay, so let's get started building. First thing is to replace the logo. So let's go into images and let's see if we can just grab our logo from here. We have a bunch of favicon stuff, but we want an SVG logo like this. Okay, so let's grab that, go back into here, and we're going to paste that in. Okay, so now we have, oh man, there's so many things in here. Do I really want to paste it in here? I do not. I want to have a separate folder for, and I'll call that images. Because this is going to be like the real images. We're probably going to replace 99% of the images here, so having them in a separate folder makes sense. And then we'll just reference them differently. So let's go to the main page. Let's look at where this is coming. Oh, okay. What? No. Oh yeah, I moved it. Okay, so let's look at where this is coming from. This was the last app she did on Zeit. Oh, choose a hang emoji. Choose a category: movies, music, or TV. 4 chances left. Oh, this is cool. TV, Statue of Liberty. H. Oh no. Statue of Liberty, Justice, Freedom. I don't really know TV that well, but okay, maybe. I think E. S-E. Oh, you know it already? Oh, wait. Something H-E. The, right? I don't know why it took me so long to think of that. Oh, no. Okay, I think this word should be easy. Okay, wait. Let's just go with a common letter. Okay. All? I think it's all. Nope, it's not all. Okay, I don't know why I keep parsing this as C, but it's definitely not C. D, F, G, I, J, K. Sen? No. I don't know what the first word is. I've definitely heard of this. It's TV. It's a really girly show. There's more vowels here because this last one doesn't have any vowels in it. What? You're not allowed to guess if you already know it. I had 2 chances left. My next one was gonna. Set. Wait, no. Oh, you said set. Okay. I'm an idiot. That wasn't. That was just a clue. Okay, sorry. Oh, sex. There we go. Sex and the uh, city. Boom! I am awesome. Okay, this is addicting. Diamond. I'm gonna do this really quick. What? Okay, one chance left. TV. S. Yes, I'm so good. M. I'm gonna guess M. Did I already guess M? I did. I was gonna kill myself twice. Can I guess again? That would be a bug. So I just tested the bug. Luckily, it was coded correctly. What could be inside of here? What comes after H? Right? Eight. It has to be an H. No, it doesn't tell you what it was either. Can I cheat? Um, I can or I can't. Does this tell me? What is this? Game over. What is this? Solving, you are distracting me. What is this? Is this saying what's correct, what's there and not there? I have no idea. SC, so SC is an internal thing. But there's definitely, I mean, it's all on the front end, so there has to be the word in here somewhere. I don't know. I'm not going to go through it. What was it? What was it? Do you know? Okay, so yeah, let's start editing this. Oh yeah, I was doing that until Sullivan distracted me. Okay, so we're here. Oh wait, we're here. Oh my goodness. By the way, guys, I have to go real soon. I have a call at 4 p.m., so I have to go in like 5 minutes. I am sorry about that. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, so we'll do images. And we're gonna, yeah, I'll do the whole landing page right now. Logo.svg. Source set. I don't need that. And we'll do remake logo. Okay. Refresh. Why would it take so long to refresh? Oh, it's got a white background on my SVG logo? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Why would there be a white background on my... Why would I do that to myself? I didn't do that to myself. Why does this have a white background? Oh, they did that. Okay, they did that. Okay, so we'll go into... Oh, we should edit... Oh, yeah, we should edit the SAS. Oh, so now we run into the issue of compiling our assets. Oh, man. Okay, well, it was fun while it lasted. not compiling assets. Okay, so we'll do source and dist. And inside of source, we're just going to grab all of these. Boom, boom, boom. And we're going to drag it into here. And we're going to delete CSS because that should be just the results of compiling it. So we're just going to hope that they're not lying to us, that this is actually the SAS. And then we're going to go into CodeKit. And we are going to drag this in there as a new project. And it might work and it might not. Oh shit, fuck. I'm sorry, I swore again. I'm sorry. Damn it. I do that sometimes. If you drag it into CodeKit at the bottom, it creates it as a template, which is so annoying because I don't even know what that means. What is a template? Where did it go? Do you guys really mind the cussing? I'm just curious because I will try to stop more. Uh, um, what do I do now? What do I even do? Frameworks. Delete it. There we go. Okay, now I should be able to delete this. Okay, nice. Okay, let's add this to GitHub first. You really don't care. You say, what the fuck so many times. Okay. Cool. So let's add a new repository and let's call it, what is it called? Remake website. I think this is as far as we're going to get today, you guys. I'm sorry. Sure. Well, no, we can't put it on an MIT license, actually, because we're using someone else's code. Okay, create, and let's undo, and let's create git ignore. Okay, and we'll do ds store. Okay, source. That, yeah, I mean, this all looks good to me. Okay, yep, that's good. So we'll commit and publish and keep it private, since it's the templates don't belong to me. Okay, I gotta go. You all, it was really fun. I wish I didn't have, oh, Ava 301, welcome to the stream. I'm sorry, I'm just leaving. I think I'm going to stream tomorrow, and I'll probably be working on the same website. Thank you for following. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I gotta get a bunch of stuff done. So even though I don't normally work on the weekends, I think tomorrow I'm gonna make an exception. So I'll see you guys then, and I hope you have a really nice day and a really nice weekend if I don't see you later. Goodbye. Oh, nice. Yeah, join the Discord. Talk to us there. Yeah, we'd love to know more about you and what you're working on and what you're interested in. Okay, see you guys.